Welcome everyone. In this video, let's look into our day 3 of the foundation course. This day 3 course is divided into 10 different sections. In that, we'll be looking into section 2, which is wardrobe cabinet catalog. So once you got inside your closet modeling window, on the left here, you will see your closet cabinet catalog, which includes both your wardrobe and your storage cabinets. So you will see the wardrobe cabinets here, and the storage cabinet is right now present as a separate category. In that, we'll be talking about your wardrobe catalog in this section. Okay. And here, when it comes to wardrobe cabinets, there are 5 categories of wardrobes which are cataloged here. First one is your swing wardrobe, second one is your sliding wardrobe, third one is your pocket door wardrobe, fourth one is your open wardrobe, and fifth would be your pull-out wardrobe. And if you are looking for a conventional swing based wardrobe, just click on this first category, swing wardrobe here, and you will see different subcategories of swing wardrobes. In that, the first one is your regular wardrobe, where you will have your normal single door swing wardrobe, double door swing wardrobe. If you are looking for a split shutter in the sense one shutter at the bottom and another shutter at top, in those cases that is also catalog. Can you see here? Single door split shutter, double door split shutter, and we even catalog your 3 and 4 door swing wardrobes as well. Okay. And always remember, when it comes to understanding the products in our catalog, name and the thumbnail of that product plays a very crucial role. Okay. So here, if you look at the name, it will precisely tell you the nature of that product. So whether it is a single door or a double door, or whether it is a single door split shutter or a double door split shutter or a 3 or 4 door combination, just by looking at the name, you'll be able to get it. In addition to that, your thumbnail also plays a very crucial role. Just by looking at the thumbnail, you can understand the nature. And if you feel that this thumbnail looks small, no worries. On top right of each and every thumbnail, you will see an eye icon, right? Just place your cursor on this eye icon. It will show an enlarged image of your thumbnail, and the name will also be mentioned. Can you see here? So this is how you'll be able to read the products in our catalog. And now, if you are looking for a swing wardrobe with external drawer, that is also present. Can you see? This is what it is. So when it comes to external drawer wardrobes here, you will see door at top and bottom you will have drawers. And when it comes to drawers, we have addressed different configurations of drawers, right? From single drawer to 4 drawer combination for both your double door and your single door. Everything is present. So if you are looking for a single door with 3 drawer combination, just read the name, you will understand it. Can you see a single door wardrobe with 3 drawer? This is something that you are looking for. If you are looking for a double door with 4 drawer, scroll down, just look for double door wardrobe with 4 drawers. Can you see? Your thumbnail and your name plays a very crucial role when it comes to understanding the product. Another important thing which I like to inform here is the image what you are seeing in the thumbnail is just the representation image. You can change any finish for your carcass, you can change the finish for your shutter, you can change the handle type, you can change the door style, you can change the width, depth and height of this cabinet. All those factors can be changed based on your designs. So the thumbnail what you are seeing here is just the representation image to give you a basic visual understanding about that product. Okay. Anyways, we'll be talking in detail about your style changes, door style changes, everything in our further sections. And what if you are looking for a corner swing wardrobe? That is the next subcategory here. And here, when it comes to corner cabinets, you have 3 types of corner cabinets for your swing. One is your L corner wardrobe, blind corner wardrobe, and pentagon corner wardrobe. Okay. And when it comes to L corner, can you see you have your normal full-fledged shutter and split shutter. Both are present here. And when it comes to blind corner swing wardrobe, you will also find a full-fledged shutter here and your split shutters. And now you might be wondering, this is also a full-fledged shutter, this is also a full-fledged shutter. Why are we repeating this? The logic here is this L and R. Okay, so it is not same. This L is a mirror image of this R and vice versa. So if you're planning to place a blind corner cabinet on your left hand corner of your room, then you can select a cabinet which has that here. If you're planning to place a blind corner on the right hand corner of the room, then you can select this blind corner with R. Okay. And these 2 are for the full-fledged shutter. These 2 are for the split shutter, where you will have one shutter at the bottom and another shutter at top. You can precisely control the height of each shutters. We'll be talking in detail about it in our further sections. Okay. And not only your blind corner, we even catalog your pentagon corner swing wardrobes. And now you might be having this common question. We are having L and R for this blind corner cabinet, right? Why the same logic is not applied for this L corner and pentagon corner? That is because when it comes to L corner and pentagon corner, the cabinet will automatically rotate depending on the corner where you're presenting. So if I just place this cabinet on this corner, it will rotate this way. If I place it on this corner, the cabinet will automatically rotate this way. Okay. Same scenario applies for your pentagon corner too. If I place my pentagon corner cabinet on this corner, it will rotate and align automatically. If I place it on this, it will automatically align based on where I'm placing. Okay. So for the pentagon and L corner, you have a rotational snapping advantage based on which the cabinets will automatically align. Okay. But that is not the case when it comes to blind corner. In blind corner, it is not about rotation, it is about mirroring, right? So always remember, generally when it comes to cabinet modeling, it could be kitchen or wardrobe cabinet modeling, mirroring a cabinet is not feasible. If there also a scenario where you have to mirror a cabinet or a component of a cabinet, we would have added it as a separate product itself where you have to precisely select it and apply. Okay. Apart from that, mirroring a cabinet is not feasible in your cabinet modeling. Rotating is feasible. So all this cumulatively forms your first category of wardrobe, which is your swing wardrobe. The second category of wardrobe is your sliding wardrobe. And here when it comes to sliding, we have 4 types of sliding here. One is your inset door sliding wardrobe, onset door sliding wardrobe, floor to ceiling sliding wardrobe. And in that, your first subcategory is your onset wardrobe. So if you just click on this onset wardrobe, you will see 2 further subcategories there, 2 and 3 door option. Okay. And your onset sliding wardrobe is your conventional wardrobe, where you have your carcass and the sliding door is present in front of your carcass, and you can slide it across and place it accordingly. Okay. And now if you just click on the second subcategory of onset wardrobe, which is your 2-door onset wardrobe, you will see 2 things, left and right overlay, right? So if you just click on this left overlay and place it in your project, can you see here? This is how your left overlay onset wardrobe would look like. Okay. And now you might be wondering, what is this overlay here? What is this left and right overlay, right? Simple. See, generally when it comes to 2-door sliding wardrobe, where one door need to be forward, another door need to be recessed, right? The forward door, they call it as overlay door, and this door, they call it as recessed door. Only then the doors will slide across, correct? And this overlay, what you're seeing, will decide which door needs to be the overlay door. So right now what you're seeing is the left overlay onset wardrobe. In this case, can you see out of this 2 door, the left door will become the overlay door, which means the right door will eventually become the recessed or the backward door. Vice versa for this right overlay. Can you see here? In this right overlay onset wardrobe, where your right door will become the overlay door, which means your left door will eventually become the recessed or the backward door. So this is what this overlay defines. And now you might be having another important question. What about for 3-door onset wardrobe? For 2-door, we can decide like left and right overlay, right? What about 3-door? In 3-door, you won't have this overlay concept. That's because in default in your 3-door wardrobe, your center door will be the overlay door and both your side doors will be the recessed doors or the backward door. So this is what your onset door and its subcategories are. Okay. And like I said, in your onset wardrobe, where the sliding door will be placed in front of your carcass. Can you see here? Okay. So this is what your onset door is, your conventional sliding wardrobe. And now let's just look into a second subcategory of sliding wardrobe, which is your inset door. If you just click it, and this will open up the subcategory. Okay. The major difference between your onset and inset is the sliding door placement. In your onset wardrobe, like I said, the sliding door will be placed in front of your carcass, correct? But when it comes to your inset wardrobe, the sliding door will be placed inside your carcass, which means your carcass thickness and everything will be visible in the elevation of that cabinet. So that is the difference between the inset and onset wardrobe. And here also in your inset wardrobe, you have 2-door inset and 3-door inset. And since here the sliding door will be generated inside your carcass, you even have option with external drawers too. So if you're looking for a complete inset wardrobe, then I can just go for this one. Or if you're looking with inset wardrobe with external drawer option, that is also precisely feasible here. Can you see? So always remember, the external drawer for your sliding door is only feasible for your inset configuration. That is because for the onset configuration where the door will be placed in front of your carcass, right? There isn't anything called external drawers there. Everything will eventually become your internal drawer. But that is not the case for your inset wardrobe. External drawer feasibility is available. This one is for the 2-door configuration. If you're looking for 3-door configuration, that is also available. So 3-door without drawer and 3 door for different configurations of drawer. Okay, and here when it comes to drawer configuration, you will see this matrix nomenclature here, which represents 3 cross 2, 4 cross 2, 2 cross and 1 cross 2. This 3 cross 2 represents 3 rows and 2 columns of drawer, where the first represents the row and the second represents the column. So in this case here, if it is 4 cross 2, where it will have 4 rows and 2 columns of drawer. If it is 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. Similar scenario applies for your other configurations too. So this is what your insert wardrobe here is. And if you just select any insert wardrobe and place it in your project, the first thing you will notice here is it doesn't have a door, right? It won't come with a door. Instead, we have a much better option, which is generate. Yes, we can generate your sliding doors for your insert wardrobe. Anyways, we'll be talking in detail about your sliding door generation in our further sessions. And now when it comes to your third category of sliding wardrobes here, you have your floor to ceiling. And as the name suggests, it will be a full-fledged wardrobe cabinet from floor till ceiling. And here also you will notice the same thing, that it is not coming with your sliding door, right? That is because we can generate the sliding door for your floor to ceiling wardrobes too. And last comes in your fourth subcategory of sliding wardrobe, which is your sliding and folding. And here when it comes to sliding and folding, you have your 2-door and 4-door combinations here. So just click it and place it in your project, and this is how a sliding and folding wardrobe will look like. And from the quick glance of it, it might look like a normal double door, right? But you will understand the difference if we open up the shutters here. So now can you see here? This is why it is called as sliding and folding. This is your typical bifolding door, similar for your 4-door sliding door. Can you see here? Can you see here? So this is what your sliding and folding. And sliding and folding is only feasible for even number of door combinations. So that's why you have 2 and 4 door. You won't be able to see single door or 3-door combinations here. That's because this is typically a bifold door, so only even number of door configuration is feasible. So all this cumulatively completes your second category of wardrobe, which is your sliding wardrobe. And your third category of wardrobe is your pocket door wardrobe. It is a unique wardrobe which is recently getting some tractions in the market. So here, if you just place any pocket wardrobe, first thing you will notice in the model here is there is an end panel which is placed at a distance from your side panel of the carcass, right? That distance, that clearance, what you're seeing there, that is called pocket. Okay, so what this pocket door would do was, if I just open it up, can you see where the door would swing open and it will slide it across that pocket. Okay, so this is what this pocket door here is. And this pocket wardrobe also is typically feasible in your even configuration. So that's why you have your 2-door and your 4-door configurations too. You can just open it up and you can precisely see how the pocket wardrobe works for your 4-door. So now let's look into your fourth category of wardrobe, which is your pull-out wardrobe. So when it comes to pull-out wardrobe, you have 4 types of pull-out here. First one is your mirror pull-out. If I open up this pull-out wardrobe here, can you see it is a typical side pull-out which has mirror inside, a full-fledged mirror. Or if you're looking with mirror with shelf, that is also present. If I open this up, you will see that on top you will have a mirror and bottom you will have shelves for storage. If you are looking for a shelf pull-out, that is also present. Can you see pull-out with shelf? Your third subcategory of pull-out cabinets. If I open this up, it will have a full-fledged shelves for the storage. And your fourth category of pull-out wardrobe is your shoe pull-out. Generally, shoe pull-out are accessed from the front. So that's why your shoe pull-out is a front access pull-out here. Inside you will have your shoe pull-out accessory. Okay, so this is what your pull-out wardrobes and its subcategories are. And the last fifth category of wardrobe here is your open wardrobe. And if you click it, you will see further subcategories. So that the first subcategory is open corner cabinet, where you will have your curved corner left and right. So depending on your corner in your design, you can precisely select it. And you have your L corner open wardrobe too. Or if you're looking for a conventional open wardrobe with shelf, that is also present. Can you see here? Open cabinet with shelf. Or if you're looking with drawer combination, that is also present. Can you see here? So open cabinet with 1 drawer, 2, 3 and 4 drawer combination. You can precisely use it. And the last subcategory of open wardrobe is your smart cube. Your smart cube is also cataloged here. If you have that requirement, you can use it and get your designs done. So these are all the 5 categories of wardrobe which are present in our catalog. In addition to this wardrobe, if you have the requirement for a loft cabinet in your closet, then you can just click on this loft category here and you will see the same loft categories and subcategories which you used in your kitchen. So when it comes to loft cabinets in general, there are 2 types of loft, right? Your frame and shutter and your box. Both are cataloged here. Can you see? Your frame and shutter, single door and double door, and your box loft, single door, double door. And if you're looking for 3 or 4 door combination, that is also present here. And if you're looking for a corner loft cabinet, that is also present. Can you see here? You will find your blind corner cabinet, single door, left and right. So depending on which corner you're placing in your design, you can precisely select L or R. Same scenario applies for your double door blind corner as well. And if you're looking for an L corner loft cabinet, that is also present. L corner box loft and L corner frame and shutter. So if you are looking for a frame and shutter for your corner cabinet, then L corner is practically feasible and it is available here as well. If you are looking for blind corner, then box loft should be your go-to option. So all this cumulatively forms your loft cabinet for your closet. And apart from all these cabinets here, if you are looking for filler, end panel, ledge panel for your projects, you can find that precisely in your auxiliaries. Can you see? You have a specific category name auxiliary. Just click it and there you will see different types of auxiliaries. So in that, the first type will be your fillers. So if you are looking for a base filler for your wardrobe and storage cabinet, that is present. If you are looking for a tall filler, that is present. If you are looking for skirting, that is also available under fillers. Then you have your wall fillers here for any of your wall mounted cabinets. And if you are looking for a loft filler, that is also cataloged here. So when it comes to loft, you have your front loft horizontal filler, front loft vertical filler, and your side loft filler is also present. Okay. And not only your fillers, if you are looking for an end panel, that is also cataloged here. Can you see? Your conventional end panel, or if you are looking for an under staircase end panel, that is also present here. In addition to that, your lower panel is also available. In addition to this, if you are looking for a ledge panel or a loft bottom panel, that is also present. Can you see here? Your ledge panel is present and your bottom loft panel is also available. So these are all the components which are present under your accessories. So all this cumulatively forms your wardrobe catalog in your closet modeling window. So with this, your section 2 of the Day 3 foundation course is completed.